Alright, so we just got done fishing. Nate caught one small bluegill, but that's it. I didn't get anything. I mean, they were biting, but just didn't take a hold of the whole hook, so we're gonna hike around for a little longer. See if we can get to another spot. There's a pier ahead that we're gonna get to, but yeah, it might take us a few minutes. So, yep. Like I said, today's Monday, so there's like no people here, just little kids. Is it some kind of daycare or something? So, yeah. See a lot of people cooking out though. Really neat place here. Picked I thought today was gonna be cloudy as heck, but it turned out to be really nice. Still be like really humid though, so yeah. Alright, so coming out now. That concludes basically the end of our hike, but this is cool. The teepee. Yeah, but that concludes the hike. What we didn't get to is this whole place here. It's like basically a whole village. You can just it's a tourist attraction, but got a lot of stuff here. Gives you some info about the charcoal pit, whatever the heck that is. And then, yeah, you could pause the video right there when I showed you that. I'm going to show you this too. Charcoal kilns. It's probably where they made the charcoal, burned it, I'm guessing. Right there. And then up here, they got a few wagons filled with it. And then this building right there is where they store it. I'll quick show that, but it goes on for a while. It's a really cool place. And up there's a visiting office. But Nate, in here it's like so quiet. Like, come in here. Right here. It's just so quiet. Can't really, you can just see the charcoal filled to the top. You hear that? Just it's so quiet. Wagons. Well, I've probably been carrying around our fishing rods this whole time. But yeah, that house right there, you can go in. In here, oh yes, the bison are out. Way down there. See if I can get it. See it wagging that tail? That's a bison. See that, Nate?
It is?
Yeah. And then...
There's like 2 of them, I think.
Yeah, there's 2. And then over here is just like a... I don't know, a place you can walk into. There's sheep over here. I don't know if the sheep are out, but they might be. Yeah, but you can go in that house there. What? Oh yeah, there they are. You want to quick go up to them?
Sure.
They got some programs here. Ranger program starts at 2. Okay. Guessing that's an historic program. Yeah. Really cool. There's a sheep.
Hey, it's a horse.
Oh yeah. Horse here too. Huh. Well, you can go in that barn there. All these places are open. We could probably pet these sheep. It's gonna take a while to get to them. Pretty sure my ride's here too, so best hurry up. Very nice place. Little creek here. And burn. Iron community life. Come here, sheep, 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 sheep. Yeah, there's a bison right there. Kind of see its horns. Focus first. See its horns, Nate?
Yeah.
Right there. Yeah, it's huge. Yeah, there's 2 of them. Ah. 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 Looks like they just got shaved.
Yeah. Yeah.
Good day. Come here, sheep. Come here, dude. Hey, come here. Whoa, shoot, their fur is really nice. Pause. Can't show that. Oh my gosh. Oh, alright. That one right there, that's the male, looks like.
The one with big horns.
Like the black one right here. Black legs.
The one has horns on it.
Really, where? Oh yeah? See that? There's a baby one right here. Hey, you wanna eat my shoe?
Frick, I'm getting poisoned.
Here, give him some grass to eat. Yo, here. Here you go. Here, dude. Here. Eat some of this darn grass. Come on, man. Eat my finger. Okay. Alright.
So soft.
I know.
Stomach vibrates. One just sniffed me. Oh.
Alright. Well, we're gonna end the video right here, boys.